How to make an opening speech. Opening. What can you say about the importance of the conference theme that will grab the attention of delegates during the GA plenary? Opening for assigned committee. What can you say about the importance of the agenda item to be discussed in your committee that will grab the attention of delegates? Summary of policy. What are 3 major points you could make about the theme that best capture your country's policy on this issue? Summary of policy for assigned committee. What are 3 major points you could make about the agenda assigned to your committee that best capture your country's policy on this issue? Action. What are a couple of actions that your country has taken or plans to take to support the Agenda 2030? What actions does your country feel are important for other member states to take on this issue, and why? What actions has your country already taken on the agenda item assigned to your committee? What are a couple of actions that your country feels should be taken with regard to the agenda assigned to your committee, and why? Thank you for watching Smart Diplomats Model UN Training video.